Hey guys, so today I will be making some adorable glitter shoes. What you will need, I have some blank canvas shoes, of course. I have glitter, Mod Podge, and sponge brushes. Alright, let's get started. Today's video is sponsored by Renfio. They sent over some of their chunky and fine mixed glitter, ultra fine glitter powder, and a 32 color glitter set. And today I'm going to try it out. I'm going to try out the ultra fine glitter powder along with the chunky and fine mixed glitter to make some super cute and girly shoes. I'm excited to see how it turns out because this glitter looks really nice. And I love the chunky and fine mixed glitter. It's such an aesthetic. So I think these two are going to look absolutely gorgeous together. These shoes are going to look so awesome when we're all done. Click the link below to check out their website and see their other awesome glitter products. So this is going to be a pretty simple project. The longest part will be the drying time. So first thing I'm going to do is apply the Mod Podge, and then I'm going to use the ultra fine glitter. Then I will let that dry and add in my combination glitter. I think that'll be really cute. You could go with all ultra fine if you choose to do so, or even all of the chunky and fine mix. Personal preference. So I have a thinner brush and also a slightly wider brush. I'm going to start with the wider brush, and I have the thinner one in case I need to get into a small little spot or crevice or anything. I'm going to take my Mod Podge and just apply it all over the front of the shoe. I'm going to try not to get it on the sole of the shoe. You could technically tape it off if you choose to do so, but I'm just applying it all over. And then if a little gets on there, that's okay. You can wipe it off. Nice thin layer. So I'm just trying to smooth it out. And then you can always come back and fine tune it once you're done if you see any places that were missed. Biggest thing is just to try to make it as smooth as possible so there aren't any like chunky places on the shoe. Alright, I think this looks good enough. Now I'm going to take my glitter, just apply it to the shoe. Oh, that color is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. And I'm just applying it all over. And don't worry about the excess. We are going to scoop it up and put it back into the bottle. So don't be afraid to use as much as you need just to make sure you get coverage everywhere. Pat it a little bit. So cute and precious already. Just gonna tap it a few more times. This is just the first layer, so it really doesn't have to be perfect. Just going to repeat the same step with the other shoe. Apply all the Mod Podge. Alright, and just like the first time, we're going to just apply a generous amount of this gorgeous glitter. This glitter just feels like baby powder. It's so lightweight. I'm going to add a little of the Mod Podge just to kind of cover that with glitter. You could leave it white if you choose to do so, but I think I'm going to go ahead and Mod Podge it. I know it won't be as elastic, but that's okay. Alright, so once you have it the way you want it, tap all the extra glitter off and then put it someplace safe to dry. And then we're going to come back and add in our next layer. And then we'll be able to kind of tidy it up a little bit more with some acetone. So I'm going to sit these someplace safe, let them dry, and we will come back and add in our second layer, which is the chunky glitter, fine glitter combination. Alright, so I decided to let the shoes dry overnight. They look so cute and sparkly already. Now we're going to add our chunky and fine mixed glitter, and I think that's really going to be so adorable. So I'm excited to get that on, but it looks so gorgeous already. If you want to just go with 2 layers of the fine glitter, that will look awesome as well. So it's just personal preference. Alright, so just like the first time, I'm just going to apply my Mod Podge and get it everywhere. And then you just apply your glitter. Oh, that is so gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I'm making these for my little niece. She's going to love all of this glitter and sparkle. So cute. So cute. Okay, we're just going to repeat the same steps with this shoe. These look so cute and sparkly. I just love it, and I know she's going to love them as well. I'm going to let them dry overnight, and I'm going to get the sole cleaned up, but I think it looks so cute and precious. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Be sure to check out their website for different colors and styles of glitter and make some awesome projects yourself. You are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to make. You can definitely have fun with it, adding additional embellishments. You can have initials or flowers, bows, whatever you prefer.